Manipur ki Chief Minister na Prime Minister ki America khongchat na malem da ing tappa purapada chawng thodang lauragani haina X ki post amada phongdorakli mahak na Prime Minister ki khongchat adugi matang da makha taraduna hai leibak ningthina ngakpagi lamda haithoi singthoiraba Prime Minister gi meeting makhada United States of America ga India ga gi marakta afaba mari semgatlagani malem gi hauzik oidiba technology gi fibam da India gi clean energy collaboration de gi hauraga semiconductor ki technology singna henna mai pakpa gi lamda nongmo gi sangsilakli atomic energy artificial intelligence biotechnology amadi quantum computing da America ga punna hotnaminaduna innovative ki chang hengatuna mai pakpa purakpa ngamlani asida sunatana cultural property agreement ama ahanbo oina sign tawna India bu masak takpada anoba lan ama oidiba artifact 297 amuk khanna India da khusinara khre hairi masida Chief Minister na Prime Minister ga cultural heritage ki lamdasu karai phawbo hotnabagi habadu mayek sengle haina thagatpa phongdokre United States of America ga nongna khutsamnaduna Indo-Pacific Economic Framework drugs trafficking amadi MSME gi sector da leibak asina lawgadaba thodang asi hena pauthok chawthorakpa loinana global economy da hena chawkhatpa leibak oiragani hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdoki
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's visit to the United States has been a monumental step towards India's global journey. India and the United States, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, are charting a new course of cooperation that promise to reshape not only bilateral relations but also the global landscape. From clean energy collaboration to advancing semiconductor technology, India is positioning itself as a key player in emerging technologies. The partnership on atomic energy, AI, biotech, and quantum computing will unlock new avenues for innovation. The return of 297 stolen artifacts and the signing of the first ever cultural property agreement with the United States reflects Honorable PM Modi ji's dedication to reclaiming and preserving our rich cultural heritage. This historic collaboration on the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework and the MOUs on drugs trafficking and MSME cooperation has emphasized India's role in fostering a fairer and a cleaner global economy. The visit is not just an achievement for a nation, but also a source of pride for all the Indians across the globe. Through this growing partnership, India and the US are not only advancing their mutual interests, but also contributing to global stability, technological progress, and sustainable development. PM Modi's vision of a self-reliant, innovative, and culturally rich India is being realized through these shared goals, marking a new era of cooperation between the two nations.